So, good day guys. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. So, for today's video, we will be making a function, okay, wherein we will be determining if the number is even or odd using if else statement. So, this is a very simple one to do and same pa rin ang paggamit natin, which is Python or Thonny, okay? So, before we start our coding process, basahin muna natin kung ano yung given task na pinapagawa. So, this is it. So, task instruction. Okay? Create a function called checkNumberNum, which determines whether a given number is odd or even. The function will use an if-else statement to check if the number is divisible by 2 using the modulo operator or this symbol, the percentage one. Okay? If the remainder when divided by 2 is 0, it means the number is even. And otherwise, it is odd. Okay? When calling check number 4, the program should print 4 is an even number. And whereas calling check number 7 should print 7 is an odd number. So, kung mapapansin nyo, ang gusto niyang ipagawa sa atin is checking numbers whether it could be an even number or an odd number. So, sa tingin pa lang natin, di ba madali na agad gawin? And with that, syempre, papakita ko pa rin kung paano nga ba. So, balik tayo. Okay, punta tayo sa Python. So, first of all, syempre, gagawa tayo ng main function natin as it is stated sa instruction, 'di ba, yung check number num. So parang ganito siya. Def, okay? Check number num. Okay? This one. And press enter. So after that, sa loob nito, gagamit na tayo ng if-else statement. So, paano nga ba? So, first is yung if statement natin. So, if, okay? So, wag natin kakalimutan yung modulo. Modulo operator natin. Like this. Okay? Para mabasa ng program kung ano nga ba yung gusto nating parating. And after that, of course, print natin and then yung inner function which is even number. So, parang ganito yan. 2, as it is being stated, equal to 0. So, double equal yan, ha? Ganyan. And, yung print na natin, F, num, yung number, is an even number. Okay? And wag natin kakalimutan ng else. Print natin and it would be the odd number. So else, enter, print f num is an odd number. Oops, nakalimutan nating period para sentence siya talaga. Okay? Yan. Okay, so tapos na agad. Ganyan na. So ngayon, itetest naman natin kung paano ito gumana. So ganito lang yan. Follow natin yung nasa instruction, number 4. I mean, itong check number 4, okay? And check number 7. So, paano nga ba? Ganito lang yan. Space. Mag-ano tayo ng space dito, isa lang. Okay? And let's start with check number 4. I-encode lang natin. Okay? Check number 4 and check number 7. Yan. So, kapag nirun natin yan, okay, ang lalabas is ganito. Okay? So, kapag magano pa tayo ng mga negative numbers, okay, like, let's say, check number -2, check number -5. So, even or odd? Let's see. Ayun. So, -2 is an even number, -5 is an odd number. Okay. So, ganyan lang kadali gumawa. So, this kind of activity, okay, programming helps us students or mga programmers, ganun, to practice using mathematical operations, okay, conditional logic, and function calls in Python. So, yeah, that's it. Thanks for watching and see you on my next video.